So anyway, reading the article was very deceptive in showing American dollar signs when it wasn't. So Microsoft has increased prices of Activision games on the Steam stores in Brazil and Turkey. Why Brazil and Turkey? Because they have no consumer protections. They probably have a deal with splitting money, bribery kind of shit. Who knows with fucking Microsoft, right? Let's take a look. Okay, Call of Duty 2023 went from 9 to 19. Well over double. Call of Duty 2 from 9 to 19, over double. Call of Duty Black Ops 18 to 29. Call of Duty Black Ops 2 21 to 49, well over double increase. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 from 9 to 19, well over double. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2019 from 50 to 55. Must not be very popular there. Sekiro Shadows Die Twice from 40 to 55. Crash Bandicoot 4 from 55 to 66. Spyro Reignited Trilogy from 30 to 38. Prototype from 9 to 19. Prototype 2 from 8 to 38. You see, this is what acquisition gets you. Control of prices. You see, when Blizzard Activision was selling you a game, they were including their profit. But Microsoft wants more than that. They need the Microsoft profit. Why the fuck do you think we spent all these tens of billions of dollars? What, $60 billion? They're going to raise the prices on everything. Everyone, oh, this is going to be great for gamers. Great for game. I don't know who those people were, okay? But they're not fucking gamers. They're not gamers. I don't know who it was, right? Most likely PR firms hired by Microsoft to convince 13-year-olds that this was fantastic for gamers. The other name for acquisition is price increase. Oh my God, I can see literally hundreds of them here. Holy fuck. Wow. 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 Literally, there's 100 games here I'm looking at that have price increases over fucking night. This is what acquisition gets you. This is how they're going to pay back that $67 billion. And you know how many price increases that's going to take on games? You think you're going to get better games for your money? You see, this is never going to end until people like I wanted to do 15 years ago was stop all this shit in its fucking tracks by having gamers get together and say, okay, fuck you. We're not buying your game. Oh, there's no LAN? There's no system link? We're not buying your game. In that very moment, that very instant right there, gamers take back their hobby. They take back their sport from Microsoft and Sony, which is why I was attacked relentlessly by tens of websites that Microsoft hired to come after me because I dared to maybe interfere with their $1 billion of profit.